This is the solutions to an algebra booklet. I've given my Form 1 class and we're on week 3. So I'll show you, and if you haven't got the booklet you could just pause and have a go at the questions before you look at the solutions. So week 3, here are the questions. So if you haven't got the booklet, just pause, try out the questions in your copybook or whatever, and then come back and look at the solutions. Okay, so this is week 3. First question says simplify. By now I hope you know that means put together what can go together. So 2g and 3g is 5g, 4h can't go with anything, and minus 7 can't go with anything. So it's just 5g plus 4h minus 7. Here 2a can go with 7a, 5a, so it's 7a, sorry, 2a and 5a, 7a, plus 2b and minus 5b is minus, I'm giving the answers as I call it, sorry, plus 2b and minus 7b is minus 5b, and minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So the a's went together, 7a, the b's went together, minus 5b, and minus 2 and minus 5 gives me minus 7. 5x squared can go with minus x squared, so that'll be 4x squared. Minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 3a squared minus 4a squared is minus a squared. That's that and that. Minus 4a and plus 4a, they're going to go out. I'm going to write it as 0a, but in our final answer we'll just leave it blank. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So it's going to be minus a squared plus 4. If a equals 4, b equals minus 2, and c equals 6, find the value of. So ABC means a times b times c. So it'll be 4 times minus 2 times 6. So minus 8 times 6, which is minus 48. A squared plus b is 4 squared plus minus 2. So 16 minus 2, which is 14. 3a plus b squared minus 4c. So 3 multiplied by a, which is 4, plus b squared, which is minus 2 squared, minus 4c. Now I do this using brackets. You could do it like this. You could say 3 and then open up the brackets. 4 plus minus 2 squared minus 4 times 6. I just find that harder to keep track of what's happening, but I don't mind, whichever you want to do. So 3, I'm going to have to do everything in the brackets first, so that's just still 4. Minus 2 squared is 4. Minus 4 by 6 is minus 24. So I've got 3 by 8 minus 24, which is 3 by minus 16, which is 3 multiplied by minus 16, which is minus 48. Simplify by multiplying the terms together. So just the 2 will go by the 5, will go by the 10. So 2 by 5 is 10, by 10 is 100. The c cubed, let's do this over here, the c cubed by c squared by c is c to the power of 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1. So c to the power of 6. And the g squared by g to the power of 4 by g will be g to the power of 7. So 100, c to the power of 6, g to the power of 7. Simplify by expanding the brackets. So 10 by m minus 3 minus 5 by 2m plus 4. So 10 by m is 10m, 10 by minus 3 is minus 30, minus 5 by 2m is minus 10m, and minus 5 by 4 is minus 20. 10m and minus 10m will cancel each other out. Minus 30 and minus 20 is minus 50. So that's just my answer. There's no m's left. X minus 5 by x plus 9. I can use my array if I want. So here I've got x minus 5 by x plus 9. X by x is x squared, minus 5 by x is minus 5x. X by 9 is 9x, minus 5 by 9 is minus 45. So what I have is x squared minus 5x plus 9x minus 45. So x squared plus 4x minus 45. Now if I wasn't doing it with the array, I can do it this way. Okay, so I can do x by x is x squared, x by 9 is 9x, minus 5 by x is minus 5x, and minus 5 by 9 is minus 45. So x squared plus 4x minus 45. Solve each of the equations to find the value of x or m. Make sure you show your method. So I'm going to get my m's to this side because there's more positive m's here, which means I'm going to subtract 2m. And then I'm going to subtract 3 here and subtract 3 here. So remember, whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. I'm subtracting 2m from this side because I want those m's gone from there. Okay? And I'm subtracting 3 from this side because I want that 3 gone. But if I subtract 2m from this side, I have to do it from this side. And if I subtract 3 from this side, I have to do it from this side. So what I'm left with here is 3m is equal to 12 minus 3, which is 9. I then divide both sides by 3 to find out what 1m is. 1m is 3. Okay? In this one here, I've got to multiply out my brackets first. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 6 plus 7. That 7 is just adding on at the end. It's not multiplying by the 2. So I have 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So I've got 1x on this side and they're gone. And I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides because I want that gone. So I'm going to have 3x is equal to minus 2. Oh, this is a nasty one, isn't it? No, 3x minus 2x is 1x. Okay, I didn't think it was that nasty. 1x is minus 2 is my answer. Okay, x equals minus 2. Okay, thanks, bye-bye.